Welcome online. I'm still your online math tutor, Miss Onyinye. In our lesson today, we are going to learn how to expand algebraic expression by removing the brackets. But before that, let's look at what algebraic expressions are. They are just numbers and letters joined by the signs. When I mean by signs, these signs plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Alright, algebraic expressions are numbers and letters joined by these signs. For example, we have 2x plus 4. This is an algebraic expression. We also have 5y minus 8, and we also have 4a square. This is algebraic expression. If you look at this, the first one, you will find out that this is a number, this is a letter, and this is also a number. So what's joining these two is this sign, multiplication sign. And what's joining this particular one to this one, to this number, is this sign, addition sign. All right, now let's go deep into it, where we have 2x plus 4. This 2x is called a variable. It's used to represent unknown number, right? So why this 4 is called a constant. All right, so this is all about algebraic expression. Now let's go into some examples. Now here we have about 4 examples that we are going to solve. So I want you to stay with me and pay attention as we solve them one after the other. So the first one is, here we are asked to simplify each of the following by removing brackets. So we are to remove all these brackets here. And for us to simplify this, we are going to expand them. All right. Now for us to expand this, we are going to multiply these 2 here by this 2a here. All right. So we are going to have, this is equivalent, is same thing as 2 times, we know that here is 2, this 2a is also 2 times a, times this 5b is also 5 times b, minus 4 times 2 times a times 2 times b. Now let's multiply the numbers first. 2 times 2, 4, times 5, 20. We have 20. 8 multiplied by b is 2, is ab. Now 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. A multiplied by b is ab. Now let's multiply these two. It will give us 20 ab minus this one will give us 16 ab. Now if you look at this, they are like. So we have ab here, we have ab here, so we can simply subtract this one from this one, and subtracting it, we are going to have 4ab as our final answer. So moving to the next example, here what we are going to do here, right? Now here we have 1/2 here in front of this bracket. So for us to expand this, we are going to multiply everything here with 1/2. All right. What do I mean by that? We are going to use 1 over 2 to multiply this one, and equally use 1 over 2 to multiply this. So we are going to have this 8a will stand on its own, alright? So we're going to have 8a plus 1 over 2 times 12 over 1 minus 1 over 2 times 10a over 1. Now, 2 cancel here, 1, 2 cancel here, 6. 2 cancel here, 1, 2 cancel here, 5. So what we now have left is 8a plus 6 minus 5a. Alright? Now if you look at this, we are having the ones that are alike. Like this 8a and 5a, they are alike. Okay, so we are going to join them together. So we have 8a, shift this 5a to here, including its sign, minus 5a plus 6, which will give us 3a plus 6. Now, here, some people do make mistake here, alright? In the sense that while shifting this 5a to this side, they will omit this negative sign, thereby having 8a plus 5a minus 6. This is wrong, alright? So while moving the 5a to here, include this sign. This sign, minus sign, is attached to 5a. So carry this sign and move to the other side. Also, this 6 is attached to this positive sign. Also carry it with the sign to the other side. Don't just carry only the letter or only the number, leaving the sign aside. Alright? So moving over to the third example, here let's expand it. We are multiplying a by 2. So we're going to have a times 2 plus 4 plus 5 times a minus 8. Multiplying these two, we are going to have 2a plus 4. Multiplying these two, we are going to have 5a minus 8. Now, we are having like terms, 2a and 5a, also 4 and 8. Right? So let's bring them together. 2a plus 5a plus 4 minus 8, which will give us, adding these two, we are going to have 7a. Subtracting 8 from 4, we are going to have minus 4. So this becomes our final answer. So let's go into the last example. Remember, this 8y will stand on its own. We are using minus 2 to multiply everything here. I didn't say we are using 2. We are using minus 2. This minus is attached to this 2. So while multiplying everything here, we are going to include this minus sign. So what we are using is minus 2 and not 2. Alright? So let's go. Here we have 8y minus 2 times 2. This one also minus 2 times minus y. Alright? So we're going to have 8y minus 2 times 2 give us minus 4. Then minus 2 times minus y will give us plus 2y. Reason is because minus times minus will give us this, plus times plus will give us plus, Plus times minus will give us minus. Minus times plus will give us minus. So what we have in here, minus times minus, that is this. Alright, that is why we're having plus 2y. Alright, so we are going to join 2y to 8. Alright, we're having 8y plus 2y minus 4. This should give us 10y minus 4 as our final answer. So we have gotten our final answer as 10y minus 4. If you know that this video has helped you, do well to subscribe for the next video that I will be dropping still under algebraic expression.